Welcome to buycryptocards.com. This platform has garnered unanimous acclaim for its user-friendly interface, diverse options, and seamless cryptocurrency integration. Not only does it offer prepaid bank cards such as Visa and MasterCard, but it also presents an extensive range of gift cards from tech giants like Amazon, Apple, Steam, Roblox, Google Play, and more. Moreover, the platform stands out by enabling users to sell crypto and make purchases without the need for exhaustive verification procedures. It's a haven for crypto enthusiasts seeking to make practical use of their digital assets. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, buycryptocards.com stands out as a trailblazer, transforming the way individuals procure gift cards and interact with digital assets. With a seamless interface, an expansive range of options, and a commitment to user convenience, buycryptocards.com has positioned itself as a leader in the realm of crypto-driven gift card purchases. The crypto gift card evolution. The conventional process of purchasing gift cards with fiat currency has been given a significant overhaul by buycryptocards.com. Gone are the days of physically exchanging cash for gift cards. Now, users have the power to utilize their cryptocurrency holdings to acquire gift cards from an array of popular brands. Unveiling the features. Buycryptocards.com has redefined the gift card shopping experience by offering an impressive array of features. Prepaid bank cards and gift cards. The platform provides users with the unique ability to purchase prepaid bank cards like Visa and MasterCard using cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the options extend to a diverse selection of gift cards, encompassing tech giants like Amazon, Apple, Steam, Roblox, Google Play, and more. Game cards for gamers. Gamers can delight in the opportunity to buy game cards using their crypto holdings. Whether it's PlayStation, Xbox, or other gaming platforms, buycryptocards.com caters to the gaming community's diverse preferences. No KYC verification. Unlike many platforms that require lengthy verification processes, buycryptocards.com empowers users to spend their cryptocurrencies without the need for exhaustive Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. This commitment to privacy and efficiency sets the platform apart. Empowering financial freedom. Buycryptocards.com embodies the core principles of cryptocurrency, decentralization and financial freedom. By facilitating direct purchases of gift cards with digital assets, the platform removes intermediaries and empowers users to manage their funds more independently. This paradigm shift is an essential step toward mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies as a practical means of transacting. User-friendly interface. Navigating the platform is a seamless experience, even for those new to cryptocurrency. The intuitive interface guides users through the process, making it accessible for both tech-savvy individuals and newcomers to the crypto space. The platform's commitment to user experience is evident, ensuring that gift card purchases are a hassle-free endeavor. The future of gifting. Buycryptocards.com's innovative approach to gifting transcends the limitations of traditional methods. By offering a broad spectrum of options and bridging the gap between cryptocurrencies and tangible products, the platform brings about a new era in how we exchange value. The integration of cryptocurrencies into everyday transactions is a significant step forward, and buycryptocards.com is at the forefront of this revolution. Buycryptocards.com has established itself as a pioneer in the crypto gift card market, revolutionizing the way individuals access and utilize their digital assets. Through its user-centric features, commitment to privacy, and dedication to making crypto transactions more accessible, the platform sets a new standard for gifting in the digital age. As the world continues to embrace cryptocurrencies, Buycryptocards.com stands as a shining example of the practical applications of these digital currencies in our everyday lives.